お帰りなさいませ、ご主人様。
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to see Amino's offer wall. Let's see. So many of my friends told that their offer wall is not working, so we will see simply how to use the offer wall for earning more coins. Just go on me, click on profile, not this one, click on your coins, claim now. There will be an advertisement. Wait for the advertisement, then we will check the free offer convoy. So we can see 20 seconds ad. After that we will get 2 or 3 coins. Just wait for some time. And now we just need to click exit. Now we will check free offer wall. Okay guys, so as many of you says you don't have this, and the next video I will tell you how to activate this. As you can see, we just need to take a survey, or you just need to do this. And this is really easy to get all those coins. So guys, if you like the video, please subscribe to me and support me, and you will be getting this next video soon for those who have not able to use the offer wall coin. Thank you guys. Sayonara.